Denim has been around since the early 1840s and is one of the most universally worn and best-known textiles in the world. Welcome to the 7th edition of the Bangladesh Denim Expo. This edition will focus on the increasing significance of transparency in the denim supply chain in a world where ethics and sustainability have become key growth drivers. Bangladesh, owing to its burgeoning RMG sector, has become one of the most important centers for denim apparel production and export across the world. There are 26 denim manufacturing factories in Bangladesh, all of which are regularly inspected for compliance and transparency. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour of an ideal, fully compliant denim manufacturing facility of the country. Raw material yarn. Bangladesh imports over 90% of the yarn it uses for garments manufacture. Cotton is always sourced from the same suppliers to ensure consistency and compliance. Wool warping. After the yarn has been procured, we move on to wool warping. Here, multiple yarns from different yarn packages are transferred to a single package assembly. Every step of the process is closely monitored and handled by qualified workers and supervisors. Ruk Dying. Ruk dyeing is the latest technique globally used for coloring yarn, as it reduces chemical consumption and allows for higher production and better quality indigo-dyed fabric. Look to your right to see ropes being inserted into the dyeing machine. On your left, you'll see the dyed yarn being warmed to dry. Long chain beamer. After dyeing and oxidizing, the ropes of yarn are inserted into the long chain beamer. This model of the machine reduces dust production, keeping the environment clean and worker-friendly. Sizing. The yarn is now being treated with chemicals and starch to improve strength and durability. As you can see, all these processes are closely monitored by workers at all times to ensure quality at all stages. Workers are also required to wear protective gears at all times to prevent undue inhalation of harmful chemicals. Weaving. In the next step, the indigo warp is interlaced with a natural colored filling to form the fabric. The advanced weaving machines consume less energy than traditional alternatives, and the 5-foot walkway between every weaving machine to ensure safety and convenience for supervisors. Every segment of the factory is fully equipped with fire safety devices, as well as clearly marked fire exits in case of emergencies. Fabric finishing. The finishing process includes multiple functions like brushing, singeing, washing, impregnation for dressing and drying, all completed via automated first-grade machines imported from Germany. Dressing regulates the hand and rigidity of the fabric, and compressive shrinking manages its dimensional stability. On your left, you can see the fabric being collected after finishing has been completed. Quality Assurance Lab. At the Quality Assurance Lab, every category of fabric is inspected closely to ensure global quality standards and client specifications using the latest technology available. Quality checking. Here, we see employees manually checking and marking every sheet of fabric for defects. The checked finished fabrics are now being laminated and packed for shipment. Effluent treatment plant. Dye house water contains several chemicals in the different stages of the processing. In the effluent treatment plant, ETP, the water is treated to remove the color and chemicals. This biological ETP is the most advanced liquid waste treatment technology globally. The treated effluent, on satisfying all environmental guidelines, are discharged into the public canal. Sample section. In this section, complete samples of the garments ordered by clients are prepared. Sampling is a key element of the pre-production process, so the process is constantly supervised by operators. Cutting section. After orders have been confirmed, the fabrics are first sent to this section. Fabric is being here cut for individual garment production using modern auto cutter and auto spreader machines, ensuring consistency. Embroidery and printing area. The cut fabrics are then sent to the factory's in-house embroidery and printing units. The fully automated embroidery and printing machines are being closely monitored by workers at all stages to ensure quality. Suing section. We've now entered the most labor-intensive section of the factory. Each unit is designated to complete one kind of task to ensure maximum efficiency. A pair of jeans will travel the entire flow across multiple sewing units before completion. Washing, dry process. After completing production, we see the jeans are being dry washed by workers first to remove lint and other dirt. Washing, wet process. Sustainable chemicals are used for all washing, maintaining the buyer's RSL standards. Water discharge from these processes is treated at the ETP you visited earlier. Laser wash. You've almost reached the end of the production line. Laser washing is a cutting-edge finishing technology that has minimal impact on the environment. Unlike other techniques like stone wash, mill wash, moon wash, bleach, distressed look, this method negates the use of water, sand, stone, and any sort of chemical. Finishing area. We've reached the final stage of production. In this department, finishing touches are added to the products in different stations around you, such as the inside and top side checking, loop cutting, thread trimming segments, packing. The finished products are now being packed for shipment. Worker welfare. Employees can take their meals at the canteen and rest at the dormitories in the premises. A daycare center enables the women to take care of their children even when at work. The factory is fully equipped with state-of-the-art fire safety equipment. The in-house medical facility allows the factory staff to tackle emergencies efficiently. Workers are also entitled to medical services and medicines and discounted rates. The denim industry of Bangladesh is primed for massive success in the future. At this point of its growth, it is important that sustainability and transparency are ensured across the entire value chain.